Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Motorola G30. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, at the start always check your DND mode, so open the top menu and check that you have turned it off to an additional mode, like here. The next step, hold a finger on the WhatsApp icon and open App Info. Let's start from the notifications. Check that you have this switcher activated. After that, go to the additional and check that you have also activated high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the mobile data and Wi-Fi and turn on and restrict the data usage. If you still don't see your alerts, make the backup of your messages, go to the storage and cache and choose clear storage, tap on the OK. After that, you have to log in again to your WhatsApp account and check your notifications. If you still don't have it, let's open the settings, go to the system and choose reset options. Choose the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth and tap on the reset setting button 2 times. In the last step, try to update your system. So go to the settings, choose the system updates and tap on the check for updates. If you haven't installed it, and check your WhatsApp again. And that's it. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.